Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Today we're at Three Rivers State Park in Sneads, Florida.
Involved and got more knowledge and skills and developed different tools and come up with different metals to work with. I've made some knives.
Where did they come from, you know?
I haven't made any swords yet.
All the time they come from Taylor, Alabama.
Right.
But then they come from, I traced it all the way back.
Nice. That goes way back.
Oh, yes.
Our guys, are y'all ready to go?
Yeah, it's just kind of tanned out a little bit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Country.
I have a couple of Yeah, exactly. Yeah. How y'all today? All right, and you are the 4th grade class of Sneads Elementary. Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, welcome, guys. I'm really glad you guys are out here today. Well, all I am working on making roof shingles, and I'm just kind of showing people just how hard and how labor intensive it was to do this process. And a lot of homes in this area, in the 1800s, had this type of roof on it. And is anybody familiar with southern red cedar? Can you see it? Yep. Pretty familiar with it? Yep. Well, it's a slow grower. It's a nice tree, and it has some pretty unique qualities about it. One of the qualities is bugs don't really care for the red part of it. They'll eat the white part, and I got a piece right here. You can see how they've eaten the white part of it, but they really don't care for the red part of it right there. So the red part, when you get closer into the center of the tree, is more of the red part of it. Is there any other, you think, a reason why they would use this wood for a roof covering? Because it lasts longer, you bet, because it lasts longer. And what do you think would probably be one of the main qualities it has in it, other than bugs not eating it, that would work to keep us dry? Well, but it's also it has an oil inside this wood to keep the rainwater from affecting it, so the rain shear kind of comes right off of it. So it's a really good roof shingle to use for rain repellent.
Making a knitted towel from an 1892 pattern.
Oh, nice.
This instrument here, this instrument's called a crow.
Oh, you can have crows all over.
That's a big woman. She got one with 14 pounds.
Tell us what Robert would do. Be out there hitting them at the iguanas on purpose.
What is
Have your cheerleaders that make the loudest cheers, make the loudest noise, right? So they're settling who's the best team, right? So stickball is a native culture. Different towns come together and they play stickball. They play stickball, so game.
So it takes them 20 seconds to load it and fire it. Now, the rifle. Oh wait, let me back up a step. The musket, you can predictably hit a target 50 to 75 yards. Well, let's think about this. All right, this is the rifle. Okay. It has a rifle barrel, which means there are grooves cut into the barrel, so that when you load this, the rifle cuts into the lead of the ball as you push it down, and then the rifling is cut in a spiral so that when the bullet comes out, it spins. Right, so that increases the accuracy. Riflemen can hit their target at 200 and 300. So they can accurately hit a target at quite a distance. There's a drawback. It can take about a minute to load and fire this rifle. Okay. So you can get off 3 shots with this by the time you get off. Okay. Now I think I forgot to mention about the cartridges that the military are using. It's something called buck and ball. Okay, this is a 69 caliber weapon, but we use a slightly undersized ball, about a 65 caliber. And we put in 3 buckshots, which are about 30 about 32 or 36 caliber. So every time the weapon discharges, 4 projectiles go down. That makes the muskets most effective.
What is it you do here?
The rifles.
So my station's actually down there.
Oh, okay.
I'm filling in right now. But I'm dressed as a soldier from the Spanish Louisiana regiment.
Oh, okay.
So they were the Spanish regiment that was stationed down here on the Gulf Coast.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to take off as many clothes as I can, and they'll only let me do so much of that.
I have never understood.
Oh, that ain't audio too.
Yeah.
Busted.
Tables
Yeah.
are in there. We've got just paintings, and we've got in the last year at a site north of here, a small amount of silver that was recovered at a site associated with it. Just 2 pounds of silver up there was associated. But he was married to the daughter of a Creek chief, Mary Perry, and build a tank here where the Chattahoochee and Flint and Apalachicola rivers come together. That's the Chattahoochee right out there. That's the Chattahoochee? Yeah, this is the Chattahoochee River. On the gap on the other side is the Flint River, and where they meet is the Apalachicola, which flows south from here.
Oh, really? Yeah, he said the son was a boat.
Come on, Daddy! Come on, Daddy!
Right there, perfect.
Let's go!
What's your name?
Good job, Daddy.
Come on in, Wyatt.
He's right there.
Go, Wyatt!
It won't work as well.
Go, Wyatt!
Go! JD. What was it? Oh, Wyatt. That JD was the one before. All right, Wyatt. Let's go.
Go, Wyatt!
Oh, that was
Let's
close.
go!
Tucker, come
Good
on.
job, Wyatt!
Come on, Tucker! Tucker's gonna ace it! He's gonna ace it!
Tucker, you better not miss this!
I feel like Tucker.
Point that tomahawk and look that way and
Hey,
smile
man,
a
big
little
one.
bit.
No, he didn't. Awesome.
Awesome. Good job, man. Well done. Gotcha. Perfect.
I didn't know.
Y'all can get on your knees. Girls, you can get on your knees, and boys, you can't. That's why the sticks are so long. Okay, boys, in a real game, you have to guard the ball all the time. And when you get ready to throw, you literally throw with two hands like this. And at the last second, just before you come forward, you open the racket up and throw with two hands like that. Because otherwise, somebody will knock it out of your racket. But it's kind of hard to learn to do that. So today, we're going to let y'all just take the ball and come back like this and throw it. But one of the things I want you to watch for, you see this is a pocket. See how it fits down? This is the back side. You see how it doesn't fit? So make sure that you got it down in your pocket. And come back. Now girls, a lot of times the boys will twist their wrists like that and they throw it and everybody's looking around for the ball and it just fell right here on the ground.